What I'm doing here is showing how we can use a 3D printer, very inexpensive 3D printer, to make peripheral objects that fit our electronics and our coding for microcontrollers, in this case BBC microbit. These objects fit into the Lego system. These are called Lego Technic or mechanical Legos. We printed this object. It's a 5x7 whole rectangle. It is very similar and compatible with the Lego product. We got the example of how to print this from Thingiverse. We then took it to Tinkercad. Here I used Tinkercad to design this bulb. I put a star on the top so light can come out. This is all customizable. Kids can learn how to print their own Lego objects, like this fan that fits on a Lego block motor, 3-volt motor. Put their name on it, do anything they want to design it. Here's the code that I used in MakeCode for microbit block coding. Pin number 1 is the one we're using. Press A button, turn it on by setting it to 1. Pin number 1, we're using that to turn it off. Press the B button, set it to 0. Turn it on, turn it off. It's very simple. But we're able to use this printing machine, this 3D printer, to make parts. And these are Lego compatible. I actually made a hole in the bottom of this that fits the Lego compatible pins, the Technic pins that mount onto the 5x7 rectangle. So this way we can actually make our objects useful for the Lego system. There will be more about this.